Well, hello friends, and welcome to another video. I have returned to you with this very strange item. I think it's an actual woodblock. I am baffled by this. I'm fascinated, but baffled. There's a bunch of different ones. The hidden ones are a capybara in a hot spring, and the other hidden one is a sparkly galaxy orca whale. But they appear to be woodblocks. That's a Kappa, which is a Japanese demon. They're from Dodo, and they're from Japan, and I'm very baffled, and I don't exactly understand why it exists. I would like the capybara. I would also like this clam. The whale is pretty hilarious, considering that it's a rorqual whale, that it appears to have teeth. Maybe it's a shark. That's a hippo, evidently. And an axolotl, and a kappa, and a what appears to be a cooked octopus. It has sauce on its head. So that's odd. Well, anyway, I just thought this would be a really fun one, and it was on sale, and it was weird, so I bought it. So let's see which one we get. Ugh, a good satisfying rip. Very nice. Excellent. A double mystery. Very good. We won't look at that yet, because that will reveal who it is. Oh, it doesn't feel shaped like I thought it would, we'll say. Okay, and who is it? We got, is that the hippo? I think it's the hippo. Is it sitting on a watermelon? All right, let's get her out. Great. Let's get the other things out of the box. Yes, it's the hippo. The summer hippo. Is that a straw? What is she drinking from? Just from the... Oh, here's her little hammer, which is a watermelon. Very nice. Anything else in there? No, just... Wow, that's a really large silica packet. I feel like I don't need that to go to waste. We'll stick that somewhere we need to be dry. Anyway, so we got the hippo. She does have little legs sticking out. She has more detail than I thought she would. Here's her hammer. This is... I don't think this is wood. No, there's a mold line. So this is not wood, to be clear. Here's the little straw that appears to be sticking out of her watermelon. Again, baffling. Very cute, but baffling. She's very hefty, which is good, presuming that she's a woodblock. These things are so strange. I adore it, but it's just really wild. Alright, and then we have our watermelon here. This is also not wood. Yeah, definitely plastic, and it's got a keyed mold here for the back of this, which is this straw. So I guess we're just drinking out of that. It's not facing towards her, which also I find odd. She can't drink from it. You can't turn it around. It's keyed that way. Alright, and then here is our hippo. I'll be interested to see if this sounds like an actual woodblock, because it is very, like, dense plastic. Like, it's heavy. It's definitely not wood. Here's the mold. I do enjoy that she has a little shine mark on her tush. And I do enjoy that she has appropriately hippo-y toes. Her nose is tough to read. She needed nostrils to read more hippo, or perhaps to not have her eyeballs down on her nose. Unless she has a set of eyeballs I'm unaware of. I don't see any. It reads less like hippo and more like... I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't look like a hippo. But does it woodblock? It's pretty good. Need a lower sound from the front of her head. Not much from the tush. Best up on the head. Fine on the tummy. Well, that is just as weird as I thought it might be. And we got Zhengdian, the summer hippo. Baffling. And she does have a little mark on her foot. Not a super faithful representation of the blue. Also, why doesn't she have nostrils? I feel like her nostrils should be where her eyeballs are. Well, that was weird. I'm glad you were here for that, and I appreciate you coming along on this very short little unboxing adventure with me to meet this strange hippo person. Oh, we have to slide it through. Let's see. I mean, it is very cute. Who needs a hippo woodblock? Anyone? Anyone seeking a hippo woodblock? If so, the bizarre lucky wooden fish group would like to have a word. What a weird and fun little thing. All right, well, I hope that you'll stick around for some more chaos. We're always unboxing something or making something, and I hope you'll stick around. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.